Hi guys, today we are going to see spam version upgrade. So whenever we are going for any upgrade, we need to log in with the 000 client and DDAC user. Enter the password. You just enter the password and continue. Okay. So the T code is spam. Just to go to the spam T code. So the version is like 7.50.0015. So the prerequisite we need to check whether the STMS is configured into the system or not. Just to click the STMS in real-time systems, already it is going to be configured. There is no issue. So because it is a training system, I am going to check. This is a prerequisite. So you are already logged on to the domain controller system. We can see in the bottom. So anyway, I am going to the system overview tab whether the landscape is there or not. So it is not going to be there because it is a training system. If we have the three systems, we can able to configure the landscape. So there is no issue. It is already routed to this particular system only. Because it is AP1, I am routed the transport to the AP1 only. You can see the transport domain is AP1. I am going back to the spam T code. So 7.50.0075 is the version. So whenever we are going for the spam version, the maintenance license should be up to date, right? This is a prerequisite we have to check. And then after, just go to the load packages, SAR archive from front end. And I already downloaded the SAR file from the support portal. So I already keep it in my desktop. So I'm just going to that particular folder, which I keep it in spam folder. See here, we have 75. I'm upgrading to 76. See here, the 76.SAR file. You just click allow button. That's it. So click allow. It is going to be started. So in the left side box, we can see in the name column, the .pat file is going to be get after the extraction, or we can say decompression after this .pat file is going to be get. In the right side, where the file is going to be keep. user recipe trans EPS in directory, we can see this compressed file. Just click decompress. I already successfully transmitted or decompressed. So whether it is decompressed or not, whether it is going to there or not, I'm going to load packages EPS file from just click yes. See here that 76 is already there into the EPS in directory. Support packages, import spam sent update. Just see here the 76 is came. It is imported. You just click continue. That's it. So TP is connected. If we not configured, if we not set up any STMS, the TP is throwing any errors to the STMS. We need to, at that time, we need to check the issues related to the STMS and as well as the RFC connections into the system, if the real-time system I am talking about. So, and one more thing is there, like in interview, they may ask you like how much time is required to upgrade the spam version, or they may ask you like how much downtime is required to spam version upgrade. So usually it will take 30 to 40 minutes. So not like that, we can say basis team, we are going to, as a basis consultant, we need to take at least 1 hour to 1.5 hours. In like the task time should be like 1 to 1 hour, 1.5 hours, like that we need to keep a priority. And as well as whenever we are going for upgrade, no user should be logged into the system. These are the two prerequisites. And one more thing is there, like whenever we are going for some upgrade also, like this spam version should be up to date. If the spam version is not upgraded to the latest one, like the sum is not going to be updated, right? So this spam version is up to date before going for some upgrade. And as well as the maintenance license should be up to date. This is also very important prerequisites. So whenever we are going for the some upgrade, So you need to remember the some upgrade purpose. The spam version should be up to date. Maintenance license should be up to date, and interview purpose. This like downtime, how much downtime is required. These three are very important. See here, the main import is going to be done. It is going to be executing one by one in a queue way. See, it is going to be done faster, I think. Look, so I am showing it in a very like forward way, but it will take so much time. It's not like 5 to 10 minutes like that. It will take 30 to 40 minutes at least. So execution reports after put something, it is execution going to be happen one by one, it will continue. This is a very simple step, like we need to download it from the service marketplace. This is the expected error, runtime error, ABAP error. No need to do anything is that. Like you just hit the T code spam again and see here. Yeah, the spam status is on red. So this should be green supposed to. So yeah, I'm just to go to the support packages, import spam send update. You just click continue, like it is restarting. That's it. So again, it will take you back to the home page. You just again hit the T code spam, and then after see here the spam status is on green, and as well as the version is upgraded to 76. This way we can able to upgrade the system. Thank you.